Nothing in this recording is intended as investment advice, and the people in this recording may hold positions in the companies they talk about. Do not make any investment based solely on a tip or recommendation. Please do your own research.
Hello and welcome to Zak's Traders Cafe. Today I'm joined by David Hutchins, who's a non-executive director at Oracle Power. Hi today, David.
Good morning, Zak. How are you today?
Right, lots of news from Oracle regarding Australia and the situation there. You've had a couple of projects there, which I suppose one could say have been successful. They've been moving along at quite a nice pace with Blue Rock Valley project, the latest. How does this fit into the whole Oracle strategy? Obviously, you've got the big projects in Pakistan as well.
Well, basically the projects in Pakistan are, as you know, very large scale and big. So, while those things are just ticking over, we've sort of expanded our footprint and looked to Australia, which is obviously a very easy operating environment for the mining sector. So it takes out a lot of that political risk. So we've got two projects, one which is the northern zone in Kalgoorlie, where Rivers Gold are earning into the project there and doing the work at the moment. And again, their work has continued to prove up the potential resource. So that's quite exciting. And then more recently, as you said, we've got the Blue Rock Valley, which we just acquired very, very recently. And we've had our geo out on site, and they've just got some rock chip and grab samples, and basically they look pretty good. It's again very, very early, but the rocks that there look good, and there's some pictures on the RNS which you can see they're sort of the right color for copper, and so that's quite exciting. Again, early stage, but I'll tell you what, you find rocks like this, it's going to require drilling, obviously, and some technical work. But yeah, it looks interesting.
Right. Obviously, the main thing in terms of the recent history of Oracle is that you're engaging activities, you're spending money, you're spending time and effort on pushing projects forward. When do you think the shareholders will actually get potentially money coming in through the door rather than going out through the door for development, etc.?
Absolutely. Yeah, I know that's always a difficult scenario for junior companies, because obviously exploration development is just spend. So it takes time. But like I said, I think, we've got our foot on the tail of some interesting projects, particularly, the Northern Zone project, where we've sort of farmed it out to Rivers Gold. We're in the position now where we can, once we confirm a joint venture, which is not there yet, we've effectively got 20%, and that means we make a decision of whether we follow our 20% or we could maybe sell that to Rivers Gold, and basically then reinvest that money back into Blue Rock Valley, or do something else. So we've got options, because that project keeps getting better, and equally, again, it would take time to get that into production. So again, it might be better for us to take some money off the table there and reinvest it elsewhere. But like I said, exploration is a tough game, and more so now than ever before, because it is tough out there. And particularly raising money, where we've been we've been quite successful, and we're very much grateful to our shareholders for helping us and following that. But it's without spending the money, you can't get any results. But I think the good thing is we are getting results.
Well, we look forward to more results. In the meantime, David Hutchins, non-executive director at Oracle Power, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks, Zak. Appreciate the time.